Ever wondered how much value a kitchen remodel can add to your home? The answer is not as straightforward as you might think. It's not just about a new countertop or a shiny faucet, it's about the overall transformation. The potential increase in home value can vary greatly, depending on the type and scale of the remodel, and even the current market conditions. But one thing's for sure, a well-planned, well-executed kitchen remodel can be a solid investment in your home. So what types of kitchen remodels are we talking about? Let's break it down into three categories: minor, mid-range, and upscale remodels. A minor remodel might involve simple updates like fresh paint or new fixtures. Mid-range remodels could include more substantial changes such as new appliances or countertops. Upscale remodels, on the other hand, might involve a complete kitchen overhaul, from layout redesign to high-end finishes. From minor tweaks to major overhauls, each type of remodel brings its own value proposition. How can you maximize the value added by your kitchen remodel? Well, it starts with strategic updates to your layout. Think about creating a functional, open space that appeals to a wide range of tastes. Prioritize energy efficiency. Modern appliances can save money in the long run and appeal to eco-conscious buyers. Don't forget about the aesthetic appeal. A stylish kitchen can significantly increase your home's allure. And remember, sticking to a budget doesn't mean compromising on quality. Smart planning can help ensure your remodel adds the most value possible. And what about financing your kitchen remodel? Let's delve into this. There are several avenues to explore. Savings is the most straightforward option, but if that's not possible, don't fret. Home equity loans offer another route, leveraging the value of your home to fund the project. Personal loans are also an option, but remember to consider interest rates and repayment terms. Weigh your options carefully. The right financing strategy can make your dream kitchen a reality without breaking the bank.